It's simple time, and this is Chef Tatong, and today we are making bite-sized treats for everyone. Kaya manood na kayo, and let's start cooking!
Simpol, simpol, luto na, ha, ha.
So today we're making a twist to our favorite dumpling. So parang siomai, pero fried siya. Tinatawag siya locally na pinsik frito. Pero yung gagawin natin ngayon ay bacon flavored, and I know everybody loves bacon. So how do we do it? It's very simple. So meron ako ditong 1/4 kilo of ground pork from Fresh Options, of course. And dapat kasi, to make it nice and very juicy, dapat may pork fat. But instead of using ordinary pork fat, yung gagamitin natin ay bacon fat. So 1/2 cup of finely chopped bacon, no? So this smoked bacon, no? So I just combine both of that. And I just season very simply with soy sauce. A tablespoon of soy sauce. Not too much. Bakit? Maalat na yung bacon natin, di ba? And sugar, no? So, very straightforward ang ating seasoning. And black pepper. Yan. Combine. And very well combined yung bacon fat, yung ground pork. And I add just minced carrot. So, instead of grating it, I minced it. But you can also grate it, of course, di ba? So, yan, I minced the carrots, and also I add onions. And I add 1 egg. Just an egg. Combine until everything is absorbed and sticky. Na-combine na natin. Look at that, no? Very easy. Then I just add some chopped spring onions. So, very easy ingredients to find in the grocery. Most likely, meron na kayo sa bahay nito. Mix everything up. And of course, we begin to shape our dumplings. Yan. And I have my Wonton wrapper. So these are siomai wrappers. Damp paper para hindi siya mag-dry out. Just get 1 piece. Meat sa gitna. Like that. Wet the edges. Just to stick and put it together, no? My mom used to do this for us as kids, no? Sobra naming paborito to. So, parang siyang fried na siomai. Yan. Hindi masyadong marami yung laman natin because we really like to have the crisp edges, no? So, I'll just put that here on the side. Be sure that all the sides are sealed off. Yan. And continue. So, you can add a lot of things to these dumplings. You can add other vegetables. You can have like singkamas, pwedeng water chestnuts. So, I think this is okay. I have enough now. So, if you want to freeze it, no, for frying later on, pwede mong gawin siya. You just have to put a little flour on your pan before keeping para hindi siya dumikit, no? Yan. So, this one's done. So, I will just make a dipping sauce for this. I just have water. I'll dilute the soy sauce a little bit. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of water. Meron akong 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Yan. Ginger, grated ginger. Around half a teaspoon of grated ginger. And also half a teaspoon of grated garlic. Yan. No? Mix everything up. I'll add some spring onions. Yan. Masarap, maraming spring onions. And sesame oil. You can also use chili oil. So, this is very much like the dipping sauce of the gyoza, no? So, you just make this ahead of time para sumarap siya, no? For all the flavors to melt. We make it ahead of time. Yan. So, my dipping sauce is done. And I'll fry the dumplings. Look at that. And it's going to crisp up. Yan. Yan. Fry natin na. Move it around. Ako, I like moving it around para it cooks evenly. Kasi kung you just let it sit, magiging dark yung ilalim, yung taas niya maputla. So what you do is you just keep moving it around as it fries, and everything's gonna crisp up beautifully with a nice golden color. And look at that. Our dumplings are beautifully evenly fried, no? It's crisp outside, and I'm sure it's juicy inside because of the bacon. And remember, pag nagpiprito tayo ng ganito, malalaman mo naman siya na halos luto na talaga siya is when it begins to float on top, no? Ibig sabihin, it's already cooked. Put it aside. Let the excess oil drip. Yan. That, oh my. Yan, pwede na natin tikman siya if you want. Wow! And aside from that, hindi lang to pang prito, you can also steam it to make siomai. 2-in-1 recipe tayo ngayon. So this is our version of Chinese dumplings made special by making it bacon fried dumplings. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Did you enjoy this video? Please follow and subscribe to our official pages and of course, tag a friend as well.